We're in Napa.
Yeah, we do. That'll be released. I've never had that. Okay.
We did our own, right? We got like two. Yeah.
We got two what? No, we got one to share. Cheers. Soup squash.
Oh, this is like so pretty.
I don't either. Are you getting your heart's content in wine?
Very.
What are your thoughts on the wines?
Juicy.
Juicy and winey?
Berry.
Berry, winey, and juicy. Do you agree with berry, winey, and juicy?
This was very berry and tanniny.
Cheers.
You like works with me. Only sparkle things.
No, I would never.
Are you riding the train in your conductor outfit?
Conducting the train. It's my Diane King vibes. Okay. What's your outfit say?
It's homeless chic.
San Francisco. It's called San Francisco.
Do you want to go see if you can find a Montclair jacket? That we don't need?
For New York.
I don't need a $1,000 jacket for a trip that costs. Sylvia wants to buy a Montclair jacket because we're going to New York, so that's the excuse.
What better excuse?
What are we having?
Dumplings and then soup.
Wonton soup. Cheers. Buddha beer. Oh, yes.
Bomb? Yum.
Have you heard about the bird? Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. What are you doing?
Mashed potatoes.
Are you a fat child?
You know you want some. What?
I am the gravy connoisseur.
You just walked in, you guys.
Yeah, I'm here to fix everything.
connoisseur.
I'm here to fix it. Don't worry. No, wait, very careful. Definitely not more salt now.
No.
I would say pepper and more stock.
Olive, are you helping at Grandma's house? No, no touching. You're such a good girl. Are you gonna have your turkey stuff? Okay.
Is that the stand mixer for the ages?
We got it just for this holiday season. Newest edition. We were just talking about it. My mom's had this for like years. And like about 15 years ago, it's like this thing's so old. 15 years later, it still works. It's so vintage. It's cool.
Starting on the pumpkin pie with the pumpkin. Right now. Yeah.
And sweet. We have turkey key, gravy beef, Thanksgiving turkey wing for Olive. Speak. Oh, I know. Speak. Speak. No, no. Sit. Speak. That's a good girl. Wow. What is it? What is it? Are you smiling? It's because you're so happy for the food. Smiley. Oh, she smiles. Hi, Smiley. Oh, she's so happy. Oh, are you smiling because you're so excited for your turkey? Hi, Tooties. Hi, Smiley Toot. Olive, are you done? Now eat your vegetables, Olive.
Yeah, and we have a good year and be healthy.
I hope Danny's UTI is sorted out.
I hope Danny's garlic obsession solves all his problems. Oh yeah, go for it. Pour a little bit.
Dude, I already have hella gravy. I don't want to pour more.
Shut that camera up your fucking ass. Trying to eat my food.
Can you pass me?
Father and son throwing the pigskin. Oh! Like a motherfucking champion. That's my dad. That's your dad right there. Can't throw a ball to save his life, apparently. That's fine, very funny.
Are you tired now?
I ask you, I just thought you don't.
I want everything.
Oh, it's right. I know.
And you get a big old dollop of that with me. Whippersnapper.
How about you, Andre? You want this?
Yeah. Hooters. Thank you.
Sludger.
Are you actually drinking?
Yeah, blank the wait.
Courage the Cowardly Dog.
Yeah, oh my god, how did you do that?
Because I knew it. Yeah, spit it out. This is how she talks to me normally.
Yeah, you have to figure it out all the time. So anyway, okay, it's a game and then it like beeps and you're like beep beep and you have to like copy it. What's that?
Simon
like,
Says.
90s game? Yeah. Okay, I'm just thinking about it. I'm like, I can't say. Okay, Blazing.
Saddles.
Yeah.
There's many movies based on this. There's one with Brad Pitt, and basically, it's they turn into bats at night, but during the day they go around and they jump on people and they vampire done. Oh my god. You have one in your room. It's not the Xbox, it's the other one.
PlayStation?
No, the
PS4? TV?
the big one with in the big box.
Oh, PC.
Done. Yeah. I think you used to wipe up shit from the table.
A rag? Tablecloth?
It's made of paper.
Towel? Paper towel?
They give them to you at places you
Napkin?
eat. It's fuck that.
Time.
3.